Today we're going to do one of Sam's very favourite things to eat. What is it, Sam?
Chicken Kiev.
Good lad. Salted butter, curry powder, fresh mint, tarragon, coriander, ginger, garlic, shallots, chilli, salt and pepper. That's what goes into our garlic butter. Okay, so it's a bit more than just garlic butter. Then we do something called PANNE, which is flour, egg wash, breadcrumbs, and these are Japanese breadcrumbs. So those are the ingredients. To start off with, we do garlic butter. So Sam, take that. Yeah. Slight delay while Sam washes his hands. Start mixing it.
With what?
That spatula in front of you. That's it, now that goes into here. So take it. No, don't drop it in. So you can freeze this butter. If you have too much of it, freeze it.
Why not put it into the chicken?
I'll tell you why, because you need it cold before you add it to the chicken. I don't want it at room temperature. So I do this. Why? Because it's just better. It is better, it's going in solidly and not too soft. It's because we're going to shallow fry it in a deep pan in sunflower oil. I'm going to do it outside. We have a barbecue outside, so I'm going to put the pan on outside so you don't get that smell of frying in the kitchen. You take the chicken breast. It's got to end up looking like that. The butter should be nice and firm now. Go and have a look, Sam, please. We'll do two. We'll do one each. Is it firm? Just bring one up. Put the other one back in there. Good lump of butter in there.
How much?
Oh, a lump. Right. Wait for me, because you haven't done this before and you're thinking you can do it. That in. Over. Over. Over.
Over.
Round like that. So you try and encase the whole thing.
Over.
So you end up still keeping a bit of a, looks like a chicken breast. Flour. There. This is egg wash.
What's egg wash?
Egg wash is eggs and milk.
Oh.
And a bit of seasoning. And these are the Japanese panko breadcrumbs. Let me show you.
I don't need.
Yes, you do. You'd be dipping it into everywhere rather than doing this.
No, I wouldn't. It's pretty self-explanatory.
No, it's not. Go on, then have a go at one without making a mess everywhere. I know what you like. Oh, you have to drop it in. Right. Then into, this is where you're getting a muddle. Into there, drain it off a bit.
There you go, look at that.
Right, get rid of some of that flour. Too much flour on there.
Wow.
And then into there. So it has two coatings. This is important that you do give it the two coatings. To put them back into the fridge, let them firm up a bit.
For how long?
For about an hour or so. So here we are outside with our oil in our pan, and I better do this, Sam, because I know what you like. Don't they look good? Right, Sam, knives and forks at the ready. This is something I know you're quite like. Let me cut it so we can see. You want to go cut it through the middle? Whoa! Look at that. Just look at that oozing out there.
It's only because you're squeezing it. It wouldn't do if you just did normal.
That is good. There we are. Do you want to taste it? Does it smell alright? Let me taste it. Crispy.
Garlicky.
That's alright, isn't it?
I don't know.
Right. He likes it. That is chicken Kiev, the way we do it. Served with a simple salad. You can do this at home. Alright?